The characteristics for sterling products. Number one, I don't want to spend a lot of time if I'm designing a system talking about the quality of our lights. I want to hand somebody a product, be able to turn away and let the product speak for itself. So we wanted heavy duty, we wanted really good quality brass, something that's going to last a long time. Then after that was the performance of it. So the better we can make the light output, right at the very beginning. I'm a lighting designer. If I'm not focused on light, like I'm not good at anything. So I wanted great quality of light. And we started off in the 85 CRI, then 92, and now we're 97, 99. We've always focused on light quality. And so those are, I think, two of the biggest things. And the third thing is just ease of serviceability. You know, running a fairly large landscape lighting company in Maryland and DC, Northern Virginia, I knew the importance of service. And if my guys have to take forever to go do a service call, it's going to take away from my business. So I wanted a very simple way that they could go out there if, say, 5 or 10 years down the road, a lamp fails, they could pull out the cup, put a new one in, and go on with their day. So we could take care of things quickly and focus on, you know, what really allows us to be profitable in our business.